For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
If you're like me and want salon-level styling without spending 40+ minutes juggling a blow dryer and round brush, the Hot Tools 24K Gold One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer makes that possible, quickly and comfortably. I've used it on my frizz-prone hair, especially during humid days, and the difference in smoothness and shine was noticeable after just one use. Let's talk about what makes it effective. The one-step design delivers quick, even heat through charcoal-infused bristles, which I found especially helpful for second-day hair. It refreshed and added volume without making it feel greasy or heavy. The 2.8-inch oval brush has curved sides that smooth hair and rounded edges to lift from the roots and curl the ends slightly. It gave my flat roots some bounce with very little effort. What really sets this apart is the ionic technology. It helps maintain a neutral charge on your hair, which reduces frizz and static. As someone who has dealt with flyaways after traditional blow drying, I appreciated how it left my hair smoother and more manageable, even without extra products. The rotating temperature control and 2 heat/speed settings offer control that works for all hair types. I usually switch to the lower setting for styling around my face and higher heat for the back sections, makes the whole process faster and easier. You get professional level results without needing salon skills. In terms of comfort, the lightweight design and soft touch grip made it easy to handle. I've used it for a full styling session without my arm getting sore, and the 8 feet professional cord gives you plenty of room to move, even if your mirror isn't right by an outlet. The 24K Gold surface helps distribute heat evenly, which means fewer passes and less exposure to heat damage. Over time, that's made a real difference in how healthy my ends look. I even asked my stylist, and she confirmed my hair is in better shape now than before. Hot Tools is a trusted name in professional styling tools and has been around since 1990. Many salon professionals recommend it, and I actually learned about it from a hairstylist friend who uses it for blowouts in her studio. If you want shiny, healthy-looking hair and quicker styling, this is a solid, stylist-approved pick worth trying.